Are you having sewer issues? Are you considering a trenchless sewer repair? We're here today in Phoenix replacing a sewer line using pipe bursting technology. In this brief video, we're going to go over some of the details. Let's go jump right in. This property's sewer line runs the length of the house. Our customer saved money with pipe bursting by avoiding trenching through their wood floors. After locating where the sewer line exits the foundation with camera equipment, we excavate and expose it. The piping material used is a high-density polyethylene pipe. We fuse it together to form a long, contiguous sewer line. The new pipe is fused to a pipe bursting head. As hydraulic rams pull the pipe bursting head with a cable, the old pipe is broken apart, as it is no match for this powerful equipment. The primary advantages of polyethylene pipe are flexibility, versatility, and continuity. This new PE pipe will not corrode, rot, or build up with rust. Pipe fusing makes for a smoother interior surface, which reduces friction, allowing an increased flow capacity. What's more, the fused connections are watertight and do not allow tree roots to infiltrate into the sewer line.